hyper concentrated. In a foam can and dilution, it's leaking all over me for some reason. That's probably not good. It says 1 part Old Glory to 4 parts. I don't know what happened to this tire, but it's got something going on. It's got good dirt in there. So I think a pretty good test start out for Old Glory. So let's let her rip. It's got some good dwell time going on, so that's good. Look at this. The tire is got some good browning going on. That's what you want to see for sure.